Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zari. Adhyay 23, OV 122. अन्नावरी जो निष्कारण रुसला, तयाचा तो आदर कसला. जेणे अन्नाचा अपमान केला, तयाचा सन्मान का इतुका. Why respect someone who is angry with food and in a huff without reason? Why honor so much he who insults food? तरी हेही लोकसंग्रहरीती, बाबा स्वये आचरून दाविती. पंक्तीस घेतल्या वाचून अतिथी, अन्न सेविती अयुक्तते. Yet this was practiced by Baba himself when the people were gathered to show that it was not proper to eat without the guest having joined. ही जी गृहस्थ कर्म मर्यादा, बाबा न उल्लंघिती कदा. जेणे टळतील भक्तांच्या आपदा, आचरती सदा स्वयेही. Baba never transgressed this code of conduct for the householder by which the difficulties of the devotees are avoided. He himself always practiced it. अतिथी पूजने इष्टप्राप्ती, तेणे होय अनिष्ट निवृत्ती. तैसे न करिता प्रत्यवाय निश्चिती, म्हणोनी पूजिती शिष्टतया. Fulfillment of desires and relief from calamities are obtained by worshipping the guest. The path is sure to be beset with obstacles if this is ignored, so the wise ones always follow this rule. अतिथी राहता अशन विहीन, पशुपुत्र धन धान्य विनाशन. अतिथी स पडता उपोषण, आमंत्रण ते अनर्था. A guest going away without food means the destruction of the family, prosperity, cattle, etc. If the guest goes hungry, it is a sure invitation to disaster. तयास प्रत्यही साई समर्थ, रुपये 50 दक्षिणा देत. तयास बोळवीत पावले 100, बाबा जात स्वयंकी. Sai Samartha also gave him Bade Baba Dakshina of ₹50 daily. Baba accompanied him 100 paces when he was going away. त्या बडे बाबांवर जेव्हा आली, त्या बोकडाची प्रथम पाळी. कैसा बेकाटना इसको खाली, सबब निघाली मुखावाटे. When that Bade Baba was the first one to be asked to kill the goat, the excuse that came from his mouth was, why should it be unnecessarily killed? माधवराव होते तेथे, बाबा आज्ञापिती तया ते. श्यामा तू तरी आण जासुरी ते, कापू बोकडा ते जा आता. Madhavrao was there. Baba ordered him, Shama, you at least bring a knife. We will cut the goat. Go now. माधवराव भक्त निधडे, राधा कृष्णाबाई कडे. जाऊनी आणिला सुरा तिकडे, ठेविती पुढे बाबांचे. Madhavrao was a faithful devotee. He went to Radha Krishna Bai and brought a big knife and placed it before Baba. जरी तो सुरा आणावयास, माधवरावास पडले सायास. सुरी वजा पाहुनी तयास, येईना मनास बाबांच्या. Though Madhavrao was troubled about bringing the big knife, Baba would not have been satisfied in seeing him without the knife. इतुक्यात ये वार्तेची कुणकुण, राधा कृष्णेच्या कानी पडून. सुरा माघारा घेतला मागवून, दया उपजून अंतरी. In the meanwhile, Radha Krishna learnt about this matter and recalled the big knife because she felt pity.